That was so good.
Dude, you're flying.
जोर से टर्न करना. 3, 2, 1 टर्न.
Close your eyes. Perfect, perfect. Let's do that dip again.
It's okay, it's okay. I'll take the shot.
That's great.
Okay guys, so it's day 1 and this is our first shoot with Vidushi and Tanner, and this shoot is basically to make them more comfortable with the camera. इससे फ़ायदा है कि ये बहुत होता है कि एक तो कपल जो होता है वो कैमरा फ्रेंडली हो जाता है और एक आपको भी कपल के बारे में जानने को मिलता है कि हाउ दे आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा अगर आपने प्री वेडिंग नहीं की है. एंड लेट्स सी हाउ एंड व्हाट वी डू. Bigger one, very nice. Today what lens and body I'm using is R5 Mark II. सारे आज हम VCM lens use करने वाले हैं, like 24, 35, 50 जितने भी Canon ने हाल ही में VCM lenses निकाले हैं. You should see this one.
Oh my god.
That's so amazing.
और इन लेंस की खूबसूरती सबसे ज़्यादा ये है कि ये आप गिम्बल में भी अगर वीडियो कर रहे हैं तो साइज़ और वेट में बिल्कुल सेम है. एंड फोटोज़ में यू कैन सी इट्स नॉट वेरी बल्की.
Towards my sideways. थोड़ा सा इधर. Okay, guys, sorry. You guys need to listen. That's Shania. I am Nitin. So we are the photographers, and she's going to direct you for this shot.
Guys, when Vidushi join in, then also you hoot, like you're very happy that they're together.
So ये लेंस बहुत काम आता है जब हम ग्रुप शॉट्स करते हैं, and that is the best advantage of having 24 mm with 1.4.
1, 2, 3, action.
More, twirl. Got it. Vidushi, I want you to do this and then sit. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, boy. So this is Sangeet time and everybody is all decked up, and we have got this beautiful location which is very dark and very moody. So we are trying to create some shots here using some rocks, some vintage backdrops. For this couple shoot, we primarily use the 24mm and 35mm focal lengths to beautifully capture the essence of the location and highlight its architectural details. You know what I love the most about this lens is how well it performs in low light. Even when the subject is moving or you are capturing fast-paced action, it holds focus beautifully. So for any wedding, the most crucial moments are the couple shots, entries, Sangeet performances, and all those emotional family reactions. And I genuinely feel that Canon has nailed it by covering the key focal lengths like 24, 35 and 50mm.
No, actually, I want to show you this. See, look at the.
नहीं, मेरे को 35 लगा के दे फटाफट.
ठीक है, comfortable? For pictures, Vidushi will not say no.
Can you look this side? Perfect. Beautiful. Vidushi, close your eyes.
थोड़ा speed ले लेना.
दुपट्टा नीचे थोड़ा सा. For capturing solo and couple portraits, I use the Canon RF 35mm and 50mm f1.4. Both are exceptional choices for portraits and fine details, delivering beautiful depth and clarity.
is hurting you. Can you just come and sit? It's okay. Just be
It's okay, it's okay. I'll take the shot. तुम लोग shot लो जाओ.
This wedding literally tested everything, our planning, our patience, and even our stamina. I even slipped and hurt myself, but that's what weddings are. Unpredictable, intense, and full of heart. We tested the Canon VCM lenses during this wedding and absolutely loved them. It's super light, insanely sharp, focuses fast, and the colors and contrast are just beautiful. A true hybrid lens that shines in both video and stills. We use the 24mm, 35mm, and 50mm VCM trio, and they have delivered beautifully across the board.